Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie at home easy updated. Start by chilling your butter and keeping ingredients measured and organized, then mix dough gently until it holds together without overworking. Roll between parchment for an even thickness, transfer to the pan, and trim edges before chilling. Prepare your filling while the crust rests, then assemble and bake with attention to oven temperature and timing to get golden, flaky results. In this video, I will explain how to make pie at home easy updated. Work fast with cold butter and keep the dough shaggy rather than smooth, so the butter creates steam pockets as it bakes. Add ice water a tablespoon at a time until the dough just comes together. Wrap and chill on a flat surface, which makes rolling easier and preserves flaky layers for a tender, crisp crust every bake. In this video, I will review how to make pie at home easy updated. Quick recommendation. While you bake, keep an Owala water bottle nearby to sip without spills, which is perfect when your hands are floury or sticky. It keeps drinks cold and clips to a bag for farmers' market runs, making it both practical and a nice little treat. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like, check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make pie at home easy updated. For fruit pies, toss fruit with sugar, a thickener like cornstarch, and a squeeze of lemon to balance sweetness. Simmer briefly if very juicy. Fill the chilled crust, vent the top, and bake on a lower rack for even browning. Let the pie rest after baking so the filling sets, which yields clean slices and the best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.